I'm Dorian Harrow, Product Manager with Chief, a brand of Legrand AV. I'm coming to you today from Chief's Product Development Shop here in Minnesota. We've heard a lot of you tell us that you needed a solution to be able to service extra large, heavy displays weighing over 150 pounds, getting into that 200 to 225 pound range, and we've listened to you. In an effort to make a solution available quickly, we're today launching the Fusion FCA XV1U, the extra large pull-out accessory. We'll continue to have the Fusion FCA V1U, the large pull-out accessory. So what we've done for the extra large version is we've added a third scissor assembly and a third wall bracket for you to be able to mount the display onto 3 studs, which shouldn't be a problem given the size of these displays anyway. You continue to have the plumb adjust screw on the bottom of the scissor assembly and the locking screw on the top of the assembly for you to be able to lock it into place when it's in the hold position so that it doesn't want to walk out on you. The extension on the scissors is 9.5 inches, so plenty of space for you to be able to service the display in case it's in a recessed wall. It also gives you a lot of space to be able to access your AV devices, your AV components. You can store those on proximity component storage plates behind the display or on the wall. You could also probably get away with installing proximity in-wall boxes right next to the stud on the outer side so that you're still hiding everything behind the display, but you've got easy access to all of your devices. As far as weight rating goes, the FCA XV1U will have a weight rating of up to 200 pounds when installed together with the Fusion XSM1U, the static mount, and it'll have a weight rating of up to 225 pounds when installed together with the Fusion XTM1U, the tilting wall mount. So for more information, visit legrandav.com, contact our customer care team or your local sales representative.